Good morning students. So today we will start the topic multiplication of fraction. In this firstly we will discuss about the some rules of multiplication of fraction. Let's discuss first rule, that is how will you find product of fractions. Product of fraction. I think so all students know about in fraction what is given, that is the numerator by denominator. So fraction is always in the form of numerator by denominator. So what is the fraction? That is product of fraction equals to product of their numerator divided by product of their denominators. If a by b multiply c by d, these two are the fraction we have to given here. Now how will you find the product of these two fractions? You have to first multiply product of their numerator. What is the numerator? That is a and c, which is equals to a multiply c, and here is b and d are the denominator. So b multiply by d. By this way you can find the product. Now the second rule is that you have to simplify the fraction if not in lowest term. I think so students, you know about the lowest term or standard form. In earlier class we have already discussed about the lowest term. Lowest term is that in which suppose you are having fractions like here is 3 and here is 5. Now you have to check the numerator and denominator. If there is a common factor is only 1, that means that fraction is in lowest terms. Let's see 3 and 5, and the common factor on 3 and 5 only 1, that means it is in a lowest term. These are the lowest term. Whenever simplify the fraction if not in lowest term, that means if you are having any fraction that is not in lowest term, then always you have to simplify it. Now we will try to understand the multiplying fraction by taking a little point. Multiplying fractions, no big problem. Top times top over bottom times bottom. And don't forget to simplify before it's time to say goodbye. Now let's see how it's. Here is numerator, it's a denominator. Okay students, now top times top, that means 2 multiply 4. Here is bottom times bottom, 5 6 30. And don't forget to simplify before it's time to say goodbye. Now you have to check numerator and denominator. Is here any common factor? Yes. Which one? It's both number are divisible by 2 because 2 is a common factor. Now 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Now it's clear students, how will you simplify?